Okay, so you found the second video. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple of little things about how to address cells. Okay, basically, if I was to say that whatever is in C2 must be whatever's in, let's put something in here. How about we put something in Z19? Let's put the word test in Z19. So if you want C2 to be what is in Z19, you just go equals Z19. And that puts it in there. And then every time I change something here, it changes up there. Now that's all very well and good, okay? But when I'm working with a spreadsheet, I'm often working with massive columns of data. And I don't want to have to type in the formulas individually every time I copy it down, because it might just do exactly the same thing. So let me just show you what I mean by that. If I go onto here and I point in the corner, let's just zoom in a little bit here. So let's go onto here, and if I point to the corner here and drag it down, what's happened there? Okay, what happened there is I copied, if you like, the formula, I filled, if you like, the formula that was in cell C2, I filled it into cell C3. And look at the formula, okay? The formula in here is equals Z19, and here equals Z20. Logical, right? So it just moves it down and changes it relative to wherever it is. Okay, just have a think about that for a second if you need to. But it changes relative to where it is. So if it's one row down, it changes the row 1. Now the trouble is, we wanted maybe to have this say exactly what actually is over here in cell Z19. That little typo is annoying me, so I'm going to have to go and change it. So it's saying helpo. There we go. How about hello? There and now. Okay. Now we actually wanted to copy the word hello down here. So how can we do that? Well, we could just put in equals Z19, and that'll work just fine. But what if we wanted to put it all the way down this column? Just in the same way as we can fill this down. Yeah, we want to be able to do that. So how do we do that? Well, what do is we have to specify a different kind of cell reference. This is a relative reference, and if I put in a $ in front of the column and a $ in front of the row, that's called an absolute cell reference. Okay, the $ stands for always. Always Z, always 19. Now let's see what happens. Okay, I'm going to do that same fill. Now it's always Z, always 19. Clever, right? So there's a couple of other little things that I want to just cover in here. Is formattings of cells. In fact, tell you what, I'll save that for another video. You should be all right now to have a crack at the first exercise of the formula exercises. I think that's exercise 1. You might struggle with exercise 2 until you come back for the next video. But that's all for now, folks.